Bumbo clot, gala get naked. Ha! Hey! Charlie! Ha, baba, what is going on here now, my friend? What is happening?
I am in pain. I am in severe pain.
What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another one. It's another one. DJ Khaled. It's another one. Yeah, big up on yourself, guys. Today we are here with Dexta Daps Wi-Fi. Dexta Daps Wi-Fi. Those who don't know Dexta Daps have been sleeping under a rock. No matter what country you're from, no matter where you're there, you should know Dexta Daps. Dexta Daps sing for the ladies, them. Make them take off drawers, take off underwear, no underwear. Dexta Daps tell the girl to bring it to the owner. Dexta Daps telling us say, Shabba mother pot. Dexta Daps telling us say, yo, listen. Call me if the little man not touch you good. Better you fuck somebody else. Dexta Daps tell the girl them say, poison the man where treat you bad. Poison the man where ill treat you. Poison the man where despising him. Despising him. Yo, anyway. This one is new track where him just dropped. Dexta Daps Drummer Boy. Dexta Daps and Drummer Boy. Okay. Dexta Daps Drummer Boy, directed by Raheem Vizram and Chris Moreno. Okay, yeah, I got that right. Okay, Dexta Daps. Let's go, bro. Big up yourself, Dexta. Let's go. I'm breaking down. Yo, if you guys ever see a Dexta Daps concert on YouTube or anywhere, just type in Dexta Daps in concert and you see the effect what these guy have on the ladies them. Draws Japanese like Japanese, man. No joke, man. Let's go. Bad singer. Since the past 5 years, the new crop of artists were busting in the past 5 years. Dexta Daps, I run the thing for the girls them. Dexta Daps are the girls them, man. No joke.
Yes. Fuck you so good, make you feel like you want to cry.
You see? You see what I'm talking about, ladies? The man said, fuck you so good, make you feel like you want to cry. Fuck you so good, make you feel like you want to cry. Ladies, imagine a man fucking you so good, make you feel like you want to cry. Fellas, imagine fucking your lady so good, make you feel like she want to cry. I'll scratch up your back. Be a thing she go away when you fuck it. Imagine.
Just love on me and you connect like a Wi-Fi. Your secret safe with me, a freak in a try.
Imagine. Him said to her, imagine me and you connect like a Wi-Fi. You know when Wi-Fi connect to your device, your tablet, your computer, your phone, whatever. Imagine that is the connection we have. And baby, don't worry yourself. I don't shag and shout. I don't have sex and talk about it. So your secret is safe with me. No matter, just be yourself. Let the inner freak comes out. That's what the boss has said to the girl. Let's go.
The pussy that feel for me show you on my side. Cock up your pussy for me, yeah.
Tell them before, Jamaican artists, money, girls, and gun. Money, girls, and gun. That's the topic. That's the fucking topic, dog. No joke.
Fling up your pussy for me, yeah. Me put it in like password. Then me put it so hard, bro.
Baby, fling up your pussy for me. Give me your punani, your pum pum, your mergy. Give me your pee meat. Give me everything. Fling it up. Let me put in like a password. You know when you have your phone and you have a password on it, you have to enter your password to get in. Yeah. Let me put it in like a password. What? They're not bad like Dexta. No, they're not bad like Dexta.
Your pussy for too much away.
Yeah.
You could have me if it's straight.
Yeah.
Tell me done any plasters.
Oh, me for straight. Oh, your pussy so good. I cannot go to nowhere else. I will be a one burner. When I finish, you're gonna need plaster. You're gonna need band-aid. Cause I'm gonna bruise it up. I'm gonna bust it up. I'm gonna jump in it. I'm gonna back flick in it. I'm gonna run, hop, skip, and jump in it. I'm gonna 100 meter in it. I'm gonna do all javelin in it. You see me? Yeah, I go do a long jump in it, but I'm not diving in it like the Olympic swimming pool. No. Yeah, man.
Why your last word? She said, babes. Babe. Takes time to fuck you too painful.
She said, babes, take time now, take time. Fuck painful. Take time. Dexta said, you go dead. What is your last word? Not mean physically kill her, no. Kill her with that bed that goes come off of the bed, gonna grow. Tile them crack up.
You should have seen her face. Her face. Cocky your rich tears fall.
Listen, let me tell you this, Dexta Daps. Let me blood clot tell you this. Take out my glasses. Imaginary glasses. Dexta Daps. Yeah, that trouble enough. Let me tell you this, brother. If you there anywhere in the world where me there and my woman there, you cannot. My woman cannot leave the house. Say she's going to one of your concert. I see woman pan the dance floor getting up and stage checking off them panty. My woman can do that and come back where and live where? Not in my house. She belong to the streets. She belong to the streets when she does that. So Dexta Daps, that are the message I have to tell you. Yeah. Yeah. No joke.
Yes. She said that fuck your face so good tears come. Down.
Bumbo clot, girl I get naked. Ha! Hey! Charlie! Ha, baba, what is going on here now, my friend? What is happening? Hey!
Girl so good you fall like rain come. Down. She says she want me to sink it way down. Rub down her wall them until them tear down.
Rub down our wall until them tear down our inside walls. For the man them where the joke pum hard know what the man at say. Rub down our walls and make them feel like them tear down. Yeah. Shear them off. Edge it on the side. Make you feel like it a burn. Yeah.
Girl, when me done with your pussy you might cripple. Better never ride another bicycle.
When me done with your you go cripple. Better never ride the next bicycle. But there is something blocking them off. So them can't connect like a password right now because there's something blocking them.
Too white liquor. Kitty whipped cream to me a icicle. No next man. No.
Get the whipped cream because I have the icicle. Dexta Daps, you got free carrot now, Dexta Daps. You gotta make sure you go out with things. Bite all the banana, green banana, plant and everything she gotta bite.
Question.
Okay.
No. Pussy clean so I no protection. She start run and she see it expand. Say it out like a exam.
The girl ticking her. The girl ticking her. She start run when she see that expand. She start run when the boy a get up. Boy a get up. Go. She start run when she see it. Dexta Daps I get mad now. What about that?
Fling up your pussy pa me. Me put it in like password. Then me put it so hard.
This video is so raunchy, dog. All of Dexta Daps video them are so fucking raunchy. Like once it's a girl video, it's raunchy as hell. No joke.
Your pussy
No
for
joke.
too much away. You fuck me good and me feel straight. Girl, when me done any plasters.
I don't see no dancehall artist in Dexta Daps lane right now. He's just focusing on the girls them. Right lane in, my fam. Right lane in, bro. There's no controversy in that lane, bro. Just stay in that lane, my fam. And do your thing. You're the ladies, them singer. But not my lady. My lady have to listen to Barris, man. Yeah. Barris. Father Barris. Yeah. Not you, Dexta Daps. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry, my friend. Buckers! The girl broad like motorway. The girl broad. The girl broad like double side road. No, not single line traffic, you know. 2 lane forward, 2 lane, 4 lane forward, 4 lane back. American roads. The girl broad. The girl thick. Cement soup she drink. Yeah. Yeah.
You should have seen her face. Her so good tears come down, down, down.
Yo, that video is so simple. Two of them alone, white background. That's it. Dexta Daps can turn that into magic. Dexta Daps can turn that into magic with his voice, with his the scenery, the girl, everything, dog. Everything, dog.
Fuck her so good she fall like rain come down, down, down. She says she want me to sink it way down.
Yo, the girl look good too. The girl look good. The girl look fucking good. No joke. The girl look good, brother. The girl look damn good. No joke. Fellas, if you have your woman, keep her away from Dexta Daps concert. I tell you, Dexta Daps, I'm not try bant on your food. I'm not try bant on your money, but I tell you, dog. I tell you, Dexta Daps will take away your woman like just like that, dog. No joke. But those who don't fuck with Dexta Daps, we need to start listening to Dexta Daps, guys. Guys, you start listening to Dexta Daps. I tell you that. If you don't have a youth yet, the Dexta Daps will make you get a youth. If you listen to Dexta Daps while your woman have sex, I just say it there. I just say it there. If you guys enjoy that video, the full song is in the description below, guys. Leave your comment below and your take on the video. The Dexta Daps never fail to amaze. Dexta Daps never fail to blow people's mind with his creativity skills. Big up the team behind Dexta Daps also. Big up the whole of 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃 garden. I 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃, me say. Big up everybody who will take part in the video. Guys, big up on yourself for being here as well. I appreciate you. Peace.